To measure blood flow in an artery in the Sierra Summit, just go ahead and scan in V mode. I'm using the 40 millimeter smooth preset. And you can find it in short axis. You can just rotate, use the notch of the probe towards the head. And find the carotid there in long axis. Get a good image of it. Switch into Doppler mode, which is F5. Click in the window once, move it to where you want it to go. Click again to drop it there. Adjust your steering angle here to get a better image. You can resize it by clicking once on the edge and drag it out. To go into pulsed wave mode, I'm going to hit this button at the top of the screen here. Click in the center of the artery, adjust the correction angle. I'm going to click again. Adjust my source. Adjust my frequency here. Click stop. After you've stopped, you can adjust your baseline up or down. You can invert the trace if you need to, if you had your probe upside down. And then to measure, just click at the beginning, somewhere in the pulse wave trace, and then move your mouse to the right, and then click again to get a good sample of waveforms. And it'll automatically do the measurement on the best one it sees. And here's your measurements here. You can just hit store on your base unit, and that will store that image to your report. You can put in whatever you want there. And now you've measured blood flow in an artery. You can adjust what measurements you want to show here by checking or unchecking that in advance. If you want to remeasure, you can delete all. You can check whatever you want here. And then again, click once. Move your mouse to the right. Click again. It'll try to pick out the best sample. And it'll measure that sample and give you that information. And then if you want to do another image, just hit store. You can store that image as well. Quite simple.